me feeling like a firebolt high in the sky, looking like a thunderstorm. Here we go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to 2J's Detailing. And before we jump straight into this video, would you please do us a favor and hit that like button, because you already know this is gonna be a good one. Because today we have this absolutely stunning Porsche Cayenne GTS in white, with the red calipers giving it that little pop of color. And you guys already know this is one of my absolute favorite cars, just so elegant, but at the same time it's a really sporty and a real badass on the road. Alright guys, brace yourselves, because this car is here for the absolute full package protection from top to bottom. So we're going to start it off by doing a full decontamination, as well as a proper paint correction to get rid of any swirl marks or light scratches. And then when the paint is looking absolutely perfect, we're going to apply full self-filling gloss PPF, and on top of that our Dion PPF ceramic coating, as well as windscreen protection film. Then after that we're going to move on to the interior of the car, which is absolutely stunning. So we're going to apply interior PPF on all the infotainment screens, as well as the gloss trim pieces. We're going to do a proper paint correction, and obviously we're going to apply our Dion leather shield ceramic coating. And then lastly we're going to focus on the rims by doing a proper rim and caliper detail and apply our Dion rim ceramic coating. Guys, that is quite a handful, so I think we should get started on this car right away.
Let it go, 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가요 콜라. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear.
So starting off the process, we're now getting rid of all possible contaminants that are embedded into the car's paint by doing our 21-step decontamination process. And we do this by using our quality Dion products.
ibuprofen 그만해 time and style 승부욕을 자극하는 style yeah 알면서도 마음이 자꾸 내게 가 안만 빠져버릴까 if you want me back I'll tell you I'm sorry if you want me back I'll tell you stop trying yeah you got me let it go 얼어붙어 like whoa 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 넌 겨울 Yeah, girl you cold-blooded 물론이 Yeah
So now that the car is entirely contaminant free, we are now busy with a proper paint correction, and this is to get rid of all the swirl marks or light scratches and to make this paint look factory fresh again.
Ella me llama cuando de repente le dan ganas Me dice que está libre en mi pedazo de su cama Se te notan las intenciones Conmigo pa' que razones Yeah, es que las tienes tan
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between ever met you lost. When you were born there was thunder. Fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this.
Alright guys, so now the paint on this car is looking absolutely perfect without any swirl marks or light scratches after we've done a proper paint correction. And as you can see, we're now busy with the main part of the process, which is indeed applying full self-filling gloss PPF onto the body of the car as well as the interior.
Nothing in between. We'll come back, caress. Come and ease this obsession. Remember when we said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and
hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, down, down.
So not only are we providing protection to the exterior, but also to the interior on the infotainment screens against any wear and tear or scratches. And we do this by applying pre-cut self-healing PPF, so no blades are used in the process.
No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of trying to keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to.
To provide even more protection, we're now applying our Geon PPF ceramic coating on top of the PPF, which is actually designed to extend self-cleaning as well as provide hydrophobic properties.
Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of
Alright guys, there you have it. We are done with this Porsche Cayenne GTS. It looks absolutely amazing, and let me tell you guys, there's literally not a spot on this car that we did not provide protection for. Whether it is PPF, ceramic coating or windscreen protection film, this car is now fully protected and ready to go on some wild adventures. Alright guys, so now that's that, I also want to show you guys what else we have at the shop. Starting it off, we have this absolutely gorgeous Porsche 911 Carrera GTS in red, and this car is here for a proper paint enhancement as well as full self-healing gloss PPF. Now moving on, we have the stunning Ferrari 488 Spider, also in red, and this car is actually here for a PPF replacement on one of the door panels, and you guys have to watch that video when it comes out because it's going to show you perfectly the benefits of having PPF and how it will protect your paint. And then lastly, we have the Mercedes GLE as well as a Ford Wildtrak Bucky, or for our overseas viewers, it's called a pickup truck, and both these cars are here for full self-healing gloss PPF. So watch out for those awesome videos coming your way. So in the comments below, tell us what you guys think about this absolutely gorgeous car, and please remember to subscribe to our channel guys. It really helps us out to bring you some awesome content. Have a good day and we'll see you in the next one.